very versatile. So even if I start as an engineer, I have a lot of different career paths that I can grow into. I like to learn and I like to do a lot of new things constantly, and so I didn't want to set my life up to be the same thing every single day. I'm from Northern Kentucky. Purdue was actually my dream school. I couldn't afford it to begin with. And then when I found out about this campus and how much more affordable it was like a dream come true for me. And so I transferred here my second year as an engineering student, and I've loved it ever since. I didn't like the idea of going to a university where it was like a ton of students and I didn't have good access to my professors. Most of the classes that I take here, there are less than 30 students. All of my professors know my name. So I kind of get that best of both worlds type of situation where I can do the two things that I've enjoyed the most while I was here and put them together. I would tell young women who are interested in STEM that it's really important to believe in yourself. I think it's very easy to get bogged down into this concept that maybe women can't do the same things that men can do. And I just think that if she really wants it, that she really needs to put her mind to it. Take classes if you can, foster relationships with some teachers who maybe have a background that's more focused in engineering or science or math, and just kind of develop that interest. And when you get to college, it's not that everything's going to fall into place. As long as you're confident, you're going to be able to do fine. If a student is more technically inclined, say hands-on as opposed to theoretically, this is a great campus for that. It was one of the drivers for why I wanted to come here. The opportunity to get into the lab, to get my hands dirty, to operate these machinery, it's been really phenomenal for me. You're not just sitting in the classroom, in the lecture for 2 hours and thinking, okay, I just learned something. Why did I learn it? They add this hands-on component, so you learn it and then you understand why you learned it.